Today, you're finally connecting your professional GoDaddy domain to your WordPress website. First, you need to log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your product page where your domains are listed. Find the domain you want to use and click on it to open the DNS management settings. This is where the connection magic happens. Inside the DNS records, you're looking for the nameservers. These tell the entire internet where to find your website. Click to change the nameservers from the default GoDaddy ones to custom nameservers. Now go to your WordPress site dashboard, find the domain connection section, and copy the two required nameserver addresses provided. Paste the first and second nameserver from WordPress into the corresponding fields back in your GoDaddy account, then save your changes. The final step is patience. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the globe, though it's often much faster. And that's it. Once propagation is complete, your GoDaddy domain will be officially live with your WordPress website.